Hi everyone! It's me again, Jane. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, magpa-part 2 tayo ng review para sa one-step hair dryer and styler, which is, ito yun. Ayan. So, yung previous video ko, guys, is wet hair yung na-test ko sa hair dryer na to. So, nag-work naman siya sa akin. Pero ngayon, guys, ang gagawin ko naman is iti-test siya sa mismong dry hair na. So, ito yung normal look ng aking buhok pag natuyo na. After maligo, ayan. Wavy-wavy siya. Ganyan. So, ngayon, iti-test natin kung ano magiging kalalabasan, guys, sa dry hair naman. So, right now, again, meron siyang gear adjustment for low, middle, and yung high, guys. So, dito nababase yung lakas and yung init ng product na ito. Well, right now, without further ado, I'll start na. Huwag nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa. So, ang gagamitin ko ngayon, guys, is sa middle na ako agad. Magkukulay sila, guys, ng color blue. Kita ba yan? Ayan, low, high. I mean, middle. So, naka-middle ako ngayon, guys, para uminit na siya agad. Look, guys. Ayan. Nagiging shiny siya. Ayan. Medyo mainit na yung binubuga niya. So, ilo-low ko na ngayon. Titignan natin kung may improve pa ba niya yung hair ko pag dry na. Ayan, nagsusuklay ka, para ka lang nagsusuklay at the same time. Natutuyo na rin lalo yung buhok mo at ini-straight na. May kalakihan lang tong product na to, pero guys, sobrang gaan talaga. And guys, eto na, pag dry na yung hair mo, tapos ginamitan mo pa siya ng hair dryer, ayan, nagiging shiny siya. Meron siyang, faster, less damage. The brush helps reduce moisture in hair for faster drying and less damage. It also reduces frizz and static, which make the hair soft and shiny. Naging shiny nga talaga yung hair ko. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Ito yung kinalabasan ng aking hair. Ngayong, na hair dryer siya kahit tuyo na. Mas in-enhance pa niya yung straight and yung pagiging frizz ng hair ko. Ayan. So, ayan. It's actually good for wet and dry hair. Yung sa akin, guys, nagiging straight siya dito, guys. And at the same time, yung pag-brush ko kasi is pag ganun kanina. Kaya yun, nagiging ganyan yung look ng hair ko. It really, really works this. It's really easy to use, guys. Kaya-kaya nyong mag-isa. No need for assistant na para tulungan kayong mag-blower ng hair or mag-straight ng hair. So, 2-in-1, guys. It's really good for you. Hanap, guys, ng mabilisang again, pag tuyo ng hair, and at the same time, na-straight niya na din and na-enhance niya yung hair natin. So, yun lang guys. That's gonna be the part 2 of my hair dryer and styler. 2-in-1 guys. It's straightening and drying. So, yun guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and stay safe everybody. Bye now!